Hello viewers, you are watching Your Next Gadget. Today we will be talking about some amazing action cameras. So, if you are looking for the best one to buy within your price range, this would be a proper buying guide for you. We have comprehensively researched and ranked all the great action cameras for people of different choices and different price range. Let's see if our list helps you to find your next gadget. To see the updated pricing and to find out more information about each product, you can check out the links in the description below. Fifth choice of our action camera list is Insta361R Twin. This camera is impressively small and compact, but it's really packed with features. It's easy to swap between 4K and 360 on this uniquely modular action camera. It's loaded with smooth flow state stabilization and plenty of advanced AI-powered features for auto-follow, auto-frame and auto-edit. For videographers looking for an all-in-one option that straddles regular action camera-style footage and virtual reality-ready 360, the Insta361R Twin Edition is one of its kind. The 1R Twin Edition transforms from a 360-degree camera to a wide-angle 4K 60fps action camera on the go. You just need to swap out the lenses. It has flow state stabilization which achieves gimbal-like image stabilization without the gimbal. Thanks to a new scene detection algorithm, your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. The dual lens 360 mod raises the bar with stunning 5.7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding. Including advanced image processing and an AI-powered finishing algorithm, to preserve detail and makes your footage better. Whether you're poolside or on a rainy day ride, this waterproof action camera can handle every splash. Insta361R is IPX8 certified, which means it's waterproof up to 5 meters, when built in the included mounting bracket. You may also use the dive case, to keep your camera protected in rough water conditions like surfing or diving. Fourth choice of our action camera list is DJi Osmo Action. The DJi Osmo Action is a fantastic little action camera with an affordable price tag. It gives the Hero 7 Black a serious competition for its money, with its great image quality, plenty of shooting modes and that selfie screen. If you vlog a lot, need steady video and don't want to pay premium prices, the DJi Osmo Action is a great alternative to Gopro. Osmo Action has dual screens which allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you to frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable and versatile action camera is packed with advanced technologies that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and helps you to invest more time to enjoy and capture the actions of life. The Rocksteady technology combines electronic image stabilization, along with complex algorithms, delivers stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. It's an action camera with 1 by 2.3-inch CMOS sensor. This 12-megapixel camera can capture up to 145 degrees wide angle, that allows you to shoot 4K HDR wide videos. With DJi Osmo Action you can now capture every epic move with superb clarity and details, even when you use 8x zoom with slow motion along with full HD resolution and 240 fps. Osmo Action also condense time and movement for stunning time-lapse videos. Sporting a watertight seal and a hydrophobic coating on the back touchscreen, Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. Also it has temperature resistant down to -10 degrees Celsius, which means its versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environments with temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. Third choice of our list is GoPro Hero 7 Black. The Hero 7 Black is now the entry-level model in GoPro's new lineup, which means it offers excellent value for its price. It was the model that brought software leaps like hyper-smooth stabilization and time warp, which can still easily stand up today and also been refined by its successors. Video and stills quality is excellent, and it has built-in waterproofing without the need for a case, though it isn't compatible with GoPro's new mod accessories, and lacks the Hero 9 Black's front-facing screen. But if you just want a tough, reliable action camera with impressive image quality, it's the best value GoPro option you can buy. With GoPro Hero 7, you will get gimbal-like stabilization, without any gimbal. Hero 7 Black corrects for camera shake to deliver insanely smooth footage with time warp feature. You can now capture super stabilized time-lapse videos, while you move about a scene. Just increase the speed up to 30x to turn longer activities into shareable moments. Hero 7 lets you share while you're there. You can live stream in 720p on social media platforms. You will also get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app. Also save footage to your SD card to check out later for further corrections. With Hero 7 you can share experiences that you can't capture with your phone. Hero 7 Black is rugged, waterproof without external housing. It can resist water up to 33 feet or 10 meters depth. It has Super Photo mode. With Super Photo, Hero 7 Black intelligently applies HDR, local tone mapping or noise reduction to optimize your shots for sharing. You can use 16 voice commands to operate hands-free with Hero 7, such as GoPro, take a photo, and GoPro, turn on. Hero 7 Black can shoot stunning 4K 60fps videos and 12MP photos, which are also beautiful. With ultra-high frame rate 1080p 240fps video, you can slow things down by up to 8x to enjoy funny, interesting or epic moments in all their respective recipe. Using Hero 7 Black, you will feel familiar with an smartphone. It has 3 main capture modes with streamlined settings, which make navigating easy through the options. Second choice of our action camera list is GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black lacks some features that you will get on its successor, but it's still a fantastic all-rounder action camera which is compatible with GoPro's mod accessories. Its 4K video is just as impressive as the latest Hero 9 Blacks, also its second-gen hyper-smooth stabilization is almost same too. The Hero 8 Black improves on earlier GoPros with a higher max bitrate and 1080p live streaming, making it a highly versatile action camera. The Hero 8 Black lacks some features that you will get on its successor, but it's still a fantastic all-rounder action camera which is compatible with GoPro's mod accessories. Its 4K video is just as impressive as the latest Hero 9 Blacks, also its second-gen hyper-smooth stabilization is almost same too. Hero 8 includes Hyper Smooth 2.0. It has 3 levels of stabilization, on, high and boost. You will get the widest views, or boost to the smoothest video ever offered in any action camera. This feature works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. The redesigned shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base will let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant compared to previous models. GoPro got a lot of expandable mods. Vloggers, pro filmmakers and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with Hero 8 Black mods that you may find in stores. Media Mod gives you shotgun mic performance and lets you attach Light Mod and Display Mod to upgrade your video quality. Hero 8 can streaming in 1080p on various social media platforms. You can get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app, and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Hero 8 also includes Time Warp 2.0. So, you can capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while moving through an activity. The camera will automatically adjust speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. Slow the effect to real time, and then you can tap to speed it. With Live Burst feature you can record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo, or an amazing, shareable video. With Hero 8 you can capture amazing 12-megapixel photos with improved HDR, while in motion or stationary, with reduced blur and serious detail, even in low-light areas. Hero 8 can capture 4K UHD smooth videos. Our top choice of this action camera list is GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the most powerful and versatile action camera you can buy, but we think its predecessor offers better value. While the new sensor and front display are definitely useful additions, the changes don't collectively represent a big leap over the Hero 8 Black. But should keep in mind that, no other action camera can match the Hero 9 Black's advanced features yet. The groundbreaking Hero 9 Black sports a beastly 23.6 megapixel sensor for more resolution, more pixels, more everything. You can shoot stunning videos with up to 5K resolution, perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. It has 20 megapixel sensor with Super Photo mode. So, you can capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20 megapixel clarity. And with Super Photo, Hero 9 Black can automatically pick all the best image processing for you. Hero 9 includes a new, larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom. Also a dazzling new front display, which makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. With its webcam feature you can now livestream in 1080p on social platforms, so you'll get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast. Hero 9 includes Hyper Smooth 3.0. So you can now experience ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization ever. With new Time Warp 3.0, you can now record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move on the road, on foot or anywhere else. Hero 9 can shoot in the toughest conditions imaginable. It's also waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box. So viewers, thanks for watching our video. If you liked our list, then please feel free to subscribe our channel, so that we can help you again to choose your next gadget.